You're watching Ride the Teacups, and today we are making Mickey Milkshakes. Wow! Hey guys, my name is Steve. I'm with Ride the Teacups, and today we are so excited to be showing you how to make your own Mickey Mouse Milkshake. These things are going to be huge and delicious and amazing. You're going to need just a couple quick ingredients, so go to your fridge and see what you've got and maybe make a run to the store. All right, to start off, the cold stuff. You're going to need some ice cream, milk, whipped cream, and chocolate sauce. You're also going to want some peanut butter and some milk chocolate chips. We'll get to that in a minute. You're also going to want something for color. I like using sprinkles of different kinds. You could end up using little candies, things like that. Just make sure they're very, very small. And then you're going to want two feature pieces. For my first one, I'm going to use an entire brownie. This is a huge brownie that I bake. I love it. We throw some Reese's peanut butter cups and Reese's Pieces inside of it while we bake it. It's huge, it's enormous. You're gonna want something very, very large, whether it's a whole candy bar. You may have seen some shakes with like a whole donut up on top, those type of things. Something big, guys, think big. And then of course, we need something to show it's a Disney milkshake. So what I'm gonna use is a couple of Oreos. So to make my Mickey, I like a big double stuff. You could even use a mega stuff if you're really feeling like some more sugar is good for you. But a big Oreo, thick Oreo, and then several of the little mini ones, little mini Oreos that you've got. And you can actually stick one in front of the other and make your Mickey ears. Mickey ears. And then finally, you're just gonna need a blender of some type to put it together. So it could be a whole big blender, just like you're used to using. It could also be something like a Ninja or a Magic Bullet or some type of thing, just something small, some type of small blender. Let's make some ice cream. All right, guys, let's get started. To start off for me, I'm gonna start with 4 scoops of ice cream. And then in addition to the 4 scoops of ice cream, I'm gonna want 3 tablespoons of milk in there too. All right, now you guys can use any type of ice cream you want. I'm using vanilla and I'm gonna put some stuff in it. You could end up using chocolate, cookies and cream, cookie dough, whatever it is, mint, anything that you want your shake to be. So I'm gonna start with vanilla because it's a good base. In addition to the ice cream and milk, I'm gonna put in a couple of ground up cookies and a little bit of chocolate sauce. And then just a little, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Put on the top of this thing, the right direction. You can see I'm using a Magic Bullet, just has the grinder inside. And then I'm gonna want to go for about a minute, 3 times. Let it shift around a little bit in there. All right, we've got the base of the shake done. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for a little bit because we have some work to do on the base of the cup. All right, so here's a little bit of fun. I have this mug, I have frozen it overnight. I'm going to spread a little bit of my peanut butter right along the ring of the very top ring of my mug. I want only a little bit less than an inch. You don't want a whole lot of this. I said you don't want a lot of this. You do want it to be thick. You just don't want it to go very low. All right, so that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go wash my hands. With clean hands, get your milk chocolate chips and put it all over that peanut butter. Yeah, buddy, look at that. And down. Yeah, buddy, look at that. All the way around. That is beautiful. I'm gonna prepare this thing by putting a little bit of chocolate sauce in the liner. In the bottom of the mug. And I'm gonna make sure I get some inside the sides too, so you can see it on the wall. All right, got my milkshake. I'm gonna do this one more time just for good measure. All right, and then pour it out so that your mug is about half full. May need to use a spoon. All right, my mug's half full of ice cream. I'm gonna put in some whipped cream and top that with chocolate before putting the rest of the ice cream in. And then the rest of the shake on top. All right, so we've got it plated. Let's load the sucker up with some more whipped cream on top. And then I'm gonna put my big item in, which for me is my brownie. Then the chocolate sauce on top of that. And then finally, the Mickey. Then we'll put just a couple sprinkles up on top. Voila! Oh my goodness, you guys. Unbelievable. This thing is yummy. Let us know how you did with yours. We want to see how you ended up making this and what you did to customize it. As always, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can get more cool videos just like this of how to bring the parks home and how to make that magic last as long as it can. And like this video, it really helps us out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time we ride the teacups after eating one of these.